Hello and welcome back to my channel. This will be the easiest pizza recipe ever. It just took me 30 minutes. It was made from scratch. I have not used any yeast or oil or sugar. If you're watching my videos for the first time, please subscribe and also click the bell icon to get notifications for the videos that I'm posting. So let's get started. All-purpose flour and yogurt is all you need to make the base of this pizza. Your yogurt should be thick. I had taken here 2 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 cup of yogurt. Transfer the all-purpose flour to a kneading bowl. Here I have taken 2 cups of all-purpose flour and it was good enough for a medium pizza. Add in salt. Now add yogurt. I have taken here 1 cup. For 2 cups of flour, I have taken 1 cup of yogurt. And mix it well using a spoon so that it's all well combined. I have initially used a spoon to mix it. Now using your hand, make it to a smooth dough. Initially working on the flour will be little messy, but you can dust in little flour so that it becomes a workable dough. So our dough is almost getting ready. It will be little sticky. You can dust in some flour and make it a workable dough. Since I have not used any yeast in this dough, there is no need of resting the dough. You can straightly work on the dough. To a baking tray, dust in some flour. This is done so that your pizza dough doesn't stick to the baking tray. Transfer the dough and using your hand, roll it to the shape of your choice. Here I have made a circular pizza, so you can even use your fist to work on the dough. So our base is almost ready. Using your hands, define the edges. Now prick the base with the help of a fork. This is done to evenly cook the pizza. To top the pizza, I have taken here capsicum 2 colors, olives, onions, mozzarella and fried chicken. I have also used a pizza sauce. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of pizza sauce. My pizza sauce already has oregano in it, so I am not adding any additional oregano, and spread it covering the entire base. Now add the chopped onions. Then add in the sliced olives. Then add the fried chicken. Here I had fried the chicken using simple marination, that is chili powder, turmeric, ginger garlic paste and salt. What to add in the pizza is entirely your choice. Here I had taken the ingredients that was available with me. Now I have layered it with capsicum. And finally, load your pizza with mozzarella cheese. In the meantime, preheat your oven at 200 degrees for 10 minutes. Our pizza is now ready to go into the oven. You can now bake it at 180 degrees for 20 minutes. So our super delicious pizza is ready now. It just takes 30 minutes to cook this entire pizza. You can even cook this in a pan. First you need to grease and cook one side, and then flip and add the toppings and then cook till it's done. So our delicious pizza is now ready to be served. Hardly it has taken 30 minutes to make this entire pizza. It's a quick fix pizza recipe. Try this today and send in your feedbacks in the comment box. Thank you for watching and stay tuned to the space for more interesting updates.